Hello, dear students. Welcome to the class of Health and Physical Education, Unit 3 Physical Fitness, Wellness, and Lifestyle. Today's topic, which we are going to learn, that is meaning and importance of physical fitness and wellness. So, we are going to start with the physical fitness. You have already heard the word physical fitness. This word is mostly been applicable in the field of physical education, where the physical fitness plays a very important role in order to participate in any of the games or sports competitions or doing any of the daily routine activity. Here we are going to start with the meaning of physical fitness. So let's start. What does the physical fitness means? One of the meaning of the physical fitness describes as the physical fitness as a common person means the capacity of an individual or a person to do the daily routine work without any fatigue or exertion, without getting fatigue or without getting exhausted, and then after still he or she is having the energy to meet the emergencies. That has been considered as a physical fitness. Here there are the different definitions are being given according to the Webster Encyclopedia, Don Hoskins. Then it has been given by the Crowells, then David Lamb. They have given a different definition. Let us reveal each and every definition one by one. So according to the Webster Encyclopedia, it is the ability of a person to do the daily routine work without fatigue. It is, what does the physical fitness mean? Physical fitness means ability of a person to do the daily work without getting exhausted or without getting fatigue. Moreover, to participate in playful activity. And still after participation, still he is having or she is having a reserve enough capacity to meet any of the emergency. For example, if in a football game, if the person or if the athletes or the players, if they are playing the match for at least 90 minutes, after playing the 90 minutes, the most of the player, those who are very elite player, they are having enough energy after the 90 minutes of the match. But many of the athletes, they don't have the enough energy. So we can say that the physical fitness of that particular player is less. So here when we are talking about the physical fitness, that means that if the player is playing after 90 minutes, still they are, for example, if the match has been tied, both the teams are having an equal score, then at that time the deciding match is being played for at least for 15 minutes or 20 minutes or half an hour or whatever may be, either 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So here it has been considered that the the players are still having the reserve enough capacity to meet any of the emergency. That extra timing which the player used to play, that has been considered an emergency time period that they need to play. So here what happened, that is an enough reserve energy which they are going to participate, which they are going to play, so that they are being considered as an to meet any of the emergency. Now according to the Don Hoskins, the human body has ability to move with the desired speed, balance, agility, and strength gained through the proper exercise and nutrition. Now, the definition given according to the Don Hoskins is different. Now, here the definition has been given like human body ability to move with the desired speed. Here, because the physical fitness, these are the components of the physical fitness like speed, balance, agility, strength, which are being gained through the proper exercise, and these all things are being gained with the help of the proper exercise and with the help of the proper diet, that is nutrition. According to the Crowells, successful adaptation to the stress of one's lifestyle. Successful adaptation, if the person has adapted one's lifestyle very successfully, he is having a very good lifestyle, that is considered as physical fitness according to the Crowells. Now, according to the David Lamb, the physical fitness is the capacity to meet the present and the potential physical challenges of the life with success. Physical fitness is the capacity to meet the present situation. If the person is able to meet, is having a capacity to tackle the present situation and still he is having a potential of the physical challenges of the life which with success is been considered as a physical fitness. So here it has been given that in fact it can be said that the physical fitness is the ability to function effectively and efficiently, enjoy leisure, be healthy, resist disease, and cope up with the emergency situations. So these are the importance of the physical fitness. You can say that the person must be healthy, they must be able to resist the disease, they must be able to cope up with the emergency situations, they must be able to overcome the emergency situations. So physical fitness varies according to the nature of the work. Different work, according to the nature of work, physical fitness changes. The person, those who are involved in weightlifting, the physical fitness of that person will be different as compared to the person those who are just doing the daily routine activities. Daily routine activities like going to the market or going for their work to their workplaces. So here the physical fitness, the definition of this physical fitness differs from according to the nature of the work. Here, physical fitness varies according to the nature of the work, individual size, shape of the body, age, and the sex. Why they are talking about age, sex, size, and the body? Because here the physical fitness, you can't compare the physical fitness of a child with the young people or with the young athletes or the young individuals. Even though you can't compare with the young people with the old people. So here that's why it has been given that physical fitness definition varies from according to the nature of the work. Now for the physical fitness we requires efficient motor mechanism, that means motor mechanism, movement of our muscles, movement of our body, efficient organic mechanism, our heart, our lungs, our respiratory system, that are been also been considered an efficient organic mechanism, and efficient mental functioning also. Mentally you should be having a strong willpower that you have decided that definitely I am going to do that. So that is also been mental functioning is a must, because if you are not having an interest and if you are performing any of the physical activity, then it is of no use. So a physical fitness individual should possess a sufficient reserve energy to meet the demand of the emergency. So physically fit person must have the enough energy so that whatever the emergency arises, they should they should be able to cope up with that, or they should be able to do well during the times of emergencies also. So this is the what the definition of the or the meaning of the physical fitness has been given. The next we are going to learn the meaning of the wellness. The word wellness, well, everything well. So there is no universally accepted definition of the wellness. So there is no universal definition of the wellness. The scientific meaning of the wellness is the state of being healthy and free from disease. Wellness means what? If you are healthy and if you are free from disease, it is been considered as an wellness. The following definition may be helpful to understand the meaning of wellness. So wellness is an optimal functioning of the body and creative adapting of the environmental that involve the whole person. So wellness is defined as an optimal functioning of the body. The functioning of the body in a maximum way you can your body used to function, or you are doing the work, that has been considered fitness. And creative adapting environmental, whatever the environmental, whatever the changes are being and are being there, you are able to adapt that very easily. That involves the whole person, that is being considered in wellness. The fact or the condition of being physically and mentally healthy. So what does the wellness means? It is a fact or condition of being physically, if you are physically and mentally healthy, that is being considered in wellness. The quality or state of being healthy is called as in wellness. Another meaning is being given, the quality or the state of being healthy is called as in wellness. If you are having a good quality lifestyle, if you are having if you are healthy, that is being considered in wellness. So wellness is considered the optimal state of health. Optimal, a good state of health if you are having, that is being considered in wellness. Wellness involves a healthy balance of mind, body, spirit, which results in overall feeling of well-being. Now if the person is, if we can say that if the person is physically, if they are healthy, and mentally if they are not, so you can't say that they are well. They are unwell only because they are mentally somewhere they are sick. Or if a person is physically not fit and if they are mentally fit, then also they are being considered unwell. So here that's why it is a state of being healthy, physically and mentally. The condition of being physically and mentally healthy, the person must be physical, mental, social, emotional. All ways the person must be healthy. It has been considered as wellness. So wellness can be defined as a pursuit of the healthy and balanced lifestyle. A person who used to have a balanced, well-balanced lifestyle, it has been considered as an wellness. So wellness is being made up of multiple dimensions such as physical wellness, mental wellness, emotional wellness, spiritual wellness, social wellness, occupational wellness, and environmental wellness. As I told you that the state of the mind when the person is being physically healthy, mentally healthy, socially, emotionally healthy, then it is being considered as an wellness. So if the person is being well, so then he will be having a very good diet, he will be having a good regime, daily regime routine, then he will be having a good sleep, he is going to help focus more on the exercise, on the fitness part. That means that he or she will be able to manage the stress. So these all are the things which are being considered the one of the good qualities of the person who are being considered well. Now we are going to learn with the importance of the physical fitness. So here the importance I am just going to when I am going to just read, and I am going to make you mark that these are the importance of the physical fitness and wellness. So physical fitness and wellness are the really significant for the leading a happy and well-balanced life. These are necessary for reducing the risk of heart and lung disease. So here, what is the main importance of the physical fitness and wellness? So this is one of the point that reduces the risk of the heart and the lung disease. The person may be away from the disease is also one of the importance of physical fitness. Then fit individual tends to lower the resting blood pressure. So here they will be having a normal blood pressure, means the blood pressure level will be well balanced. So here they will be having tend to have the lower resting blood pressure. Lower resting blood pressure means when the person is resting, at that time the blood pressure is very normal, it is at the lower. So that is been considered lower blood pressure. Everyone want to maintain the one's physical fitness to perform the routine work easily. That's why it is being said the physical fitness adds the years to one life. So here what happens, the lifespan of a person increases. This is also one of the important point for the importance of physical fitness and wellness. So here lifespan also increases with the help of the physical fitness and wellness. Then many people under the impression that the physical fitness is necessary only for the sports person because they used to participate in the vigorous activities of sports and games. They are not aware of the fact that physical fitness and wellness are necessary for the common person. Although that means that they are telling us that it is not that the physical fitness is only required for the sports person or the players, but it is also required for the necessary for the common persons also like us. Although physical fitness varies according to the task to be performed, certain level of the physical fitness is necessary for the common man too. Different tasks, the person must be able to complete that has been considered physical fitness for a common person. Physical fitness is important for the daily activities like walking, running, lifting, carrying weight, etc. So this physical fitness is very much important for the daily routine work. If the person is not physically fit, then definitely he will be not be able to walk for a longer distance, for example 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, if they are not physically fit. But physically fit persons, they are being able to do the daily routine work like walking, running, lifting, carrying weight, easily they can do without getting exhausted. That is the main thing, that whenever the person is being involved in any of the activity without any exhaustion or fatigue, it is been considered as a physical fitness. So this is the main definition. So physical fitness also improves the posture and appearance. Physical fitness, when you see the person, those who are physically fit, you can see their correct posture, exact they are having a posture, they are having a when they used to stand, you can see from the sideward their shoulders are little bit up, their chin are little bit tucked, their belly part is little bit tucked inside. So they are each and everything are from the top to bottom, it is been aligned in a well manner. So that's why it also improves the posture and appearance also. So physical fitness changes our lifestyle or way of life. If we want to lead a healthy life, it is necessary to be physically fit. Doctor indicates that the physical fitness maintains muscular tissues, decreases risk of injuries, and reduces the lower back pain. So here, see, this is also one of the importance of physical fitness. It is one of the importance of physical fitness that it helps us in the development of the muscular tissues. It helps in lowering or the risk, decreasing in the risk of injuries. It also decreases, you can also write down like it also help, it also decreases the risk of injuries. It also reduces the lower back pain. They also assert that the muscular problem usually arise due to the lack of physical fitness. Why does the person is having a muscular problem? They are having a back pain, they are having shoulder pain, they are having knee pains, they are having pain in their legs, in their body, they are having body aches, because there is a lack of physical fitness. By means of the physical fit, we may remain active. So physical fitness, the person may remains active. The research study in the field of physical fitness indicates that the children who include physical fitness, involved in the physical fitness in early life, are likely to remain active in future. Those who are engaged in the physical fitness or activities, any of the games or sports, if they have joined, or they have joined the gym, if they are involved in any of the health and physical fitness activities, then they are going to remain healthy even though in the future. They are having an active lifestyle even though in future. Another importance are being given like physical fitness and the wellness plays a key role in improving the mental ability. So this is see one of the another importance of the physical fitness. It helps us in improving the mental ability. So you can prepare the points on the basis of this. These tends to enhance the productivity and the quality of work. So it also helps us where, so this is also one of the importance of physical fitness and wellness, that it helps in enhancing the productivity and quality of work. Our quality of the work increases and our productivity also increases. In fact, the complete efficiency level of an individual is enhanced. Overall, our efficiency increases. A physically fit person can manage stress easily. This is the importance. A person, those who are physically fit, they can be able to manage the stress very easily, effectively, and efficiently, because such person have the positive attitude towards the stress. They don't know the meaning of stress. The person, those who are physically fit, those who are having a positive attitude, they don't know that what does the stress means. They are just doing the work, they are just used to do the work. So he or she considers the stress as a force for motivation. They used to consider stress as a motivation. Many of the people, they used to do more better in during the stress time. They are getting motivated to do the work. They are getting more excited when they are going to perform any of the tasks. So research study shows that a physically fit person uses the stress advantageously. Such persons can combat stress due to the better health status. They are more resistant to the effect of the stress than physically less fit individuals. These persons are more having the more resistance to effect of the stress than the physically less physically fit individual. The physical fitness and wellness, a person feels better and looks better. Here when we are talking about the appearance, the person used to feel better, they used to look also better due to the physical fitness and wellness. As a matter of the fact, the physical fitness and wellness program helps to enjoy the healthy mind and healthy body, which ultimately boosts and enhances the performance and enhances the self confidence. So here what happens, it boosts the performance. You can, if they are asking that, write down the importance of physical fitness and wellness, so you can write down that it helps us in boosting the performance, it helps us in enhancing the self confidence level. It has also been observed that the physically fit individuals are more capable to meet the challenges of life. They are being able to meet the challenges of life. They are able to manage the stress. So they are able to overcome from the many of the diseases. They can manage the stress. So they are having a positive type of attitude or a positive lifestyle. So these are the points which you can write down in the importance of physical fitness and wellness. So that is why it is being said that physical fitness is helpful in postponing the aging process. See, this is the one of the importance of the physical fitness and wellness. If the person is physically fit, then he or she is being able to postpone the aging process. That means that they remains more healthy. They used to when they used to look young. So these are the importance of physical fitness and wellness. In case of any doubts, you can ask, you can comment. For today, this much. Thank you.